Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to show you about how you can make your own control neutral lock. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notification. So here's the 501 and the 502 side by side, and the 502 is only used on the AA1C, and those pins are 4 inches apart. The pins on the 501 for both the 2-seater and the 4-seaters are 3 inches apart, and the pins, by the way, are 3/16 of an inch in diameter, which is the size of an AN3 bolt. There's an offset of 23/64, there's a setback of 5/64, and there's a 1/2 inch thickness on the material. And here you can see where Rich Harrison took a piece of wood of some rigid variety, drilled it for AN3 bolt, put it on his airplane, and checked it on the Bumblebee. So ladies and gentlemen, it is something that you can make if you need it. And again, it's only for setting your elevator and everything, and your ailerons for the neutral. So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman.